All right, welcome back to the our series, guys. Basically in this one we're going to look at the Isarray method, okay? And the JavaScript Isarray method actually checks if a given argument is an array or not. Okay, so it's a very straightforward and simple method. So let me show you how it works. Basically, I have this first one is a variable. Okay, so I'll get rid of the second one. I don't want it to be a variable. I want to have a number. So what I'm going to do is I don't actually have, okay, I'm just gonna have to create that. So let me just let's say let numbers and be equal to, so I'm just going to say 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that's fine. So how do we use the Isarray method? So the Isarray method is actually a static method, so we're going to need the array keyword. So basically I'm just going to say console.log here, and before we use the Isarray method I'm going to have to say array, and that's because the Isarray method is a static method. So I'll say Isarray, and then inside here I'm then going to pass in the name of whatever it is I want to check. So I'll just say lang in this first one, and I'll close that. Okay, so basically I can simply just copy this and paste that in here, and then I'll change this to numbers. All right, so I'll save, and if I run the code, what do you think is going to happen? So in this front, this JavaScript is a string, it's not an array, so I'll get a false, and numbers is an array, so I'll get a true. So let's see. So you see the first one we have false and the second one we have true. Okay, so basically that's how the Isarray method works, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.